Now, the next question is from the same person, Success. He's asking me that, can he post behind the scene videos? Because when he's making videos, he used to make some mistakes. So he wants to take advantage of those videos and be posting behind the scene. Brother, you can't do that. You are still a baby. You are learning. You are a learner. Why should I come and watch your behind the scene? I don't know you. It is people that are professionals, that are pros, that can post their behind the scene. And when you see it, you can still resonate because you're like, let me give you an idea. Minister Theophilus. A lot of people always see him as a serious person. He's always praying, if I die, I die. If I perish, I perish. But my Savior must be known. He's always, every time he's on the altar, pray, go deeper, intensify. He's rising. He's always serious. You can never catch any video of Theophilus where you see that he's playing online. So one time, we saw one video of him posted where him himself and two other guys, they were in the kitchen. I think they were in Apostle Arume's house. So they were in the kitchen and they were playing in the kitchen. Then Apostle Arume, so we were enjoying the play. All of a sudden Apostle Arume just entered and he was on the call. The play stopped immediately. So everybody started laughing. And in the section, they now say, wow, finally, we saw Theophilus, so he can play. So we saw him today. He's not, I didn't know he can play. I thought he's always serious. Now, for someone like Theophilus, behind the scene will make sense. I'm using him as an example because of recent. He posted a video of him playing, and the same comment still came. It was behind the scene. They went for a program, I think last week. The program finished, and Pastor Tony Ritchie, or Reverend Tony Ritchie, was doing a selfie with him. Then Abe or Jebu was also in the program, so she was now coming to do selfie with two of them. So Theophilus and Pastor and Tony Ritchie, Pastor Tony Ritchie was doing selfie like so. They were focused on their camera. From nowhere, Abe just came and said, "Hi guys," and put camera on them. So Theophilus wanted to be like he wanted to be fun. He wanted to frown to say, "What's your problem? Like, can't you see we are taking video or selfie?" So Theophilus now saw that she had camera, so Theophilus just switched. Like he's so fast, he just switched his face. Like, so what did he pay now? He has to do something. So he now had Abe's nose, like blocked the nose. So Abe went, go down. So he now laughed and they now cut the video. It was Theophilus by himself that posted it. I guess some people now went on that so he can play. So he can play. Well, that you see now, someone at that level, you can post behind the scene. You can, it will make sense. For example, like for me, if not for any reason, like my laptop is just here now because I'm using it, right? On a norm, I would not even want my laptop to be showing just. So, but behind the scene, now, if you now see other gadgets that are here now and some things, you'll be shocked, like wow. And so for me, I can decide to post behind this. Maybe I was playing, I just jump up, I started dancing, and the camera picked me. I can now show, when I see it, I like it, and I want to show it. So in that case, you will not see other things in the house. You'll not be like, you have that gadget. Oh, I didn't know you have this kind of gadget too. What's that? It's just like something that happened of recent. I did something somewhere, and I was close to something. And somebody was like, who wants that thing? That was what they were focused on because it's behind the scene. So, but for you, what do you want to show behind the scene? No, tell me, we don't know you.